All right, it starts with some good, thick Greek yogurt. Get it in there. And yogurt has a nice tartness to it. And to play with the tartness, a little bit more lemon. Not only is the yogurt tart, but it's fat, and lemon will cut right through the fat. So a little bit of the zest and the juice. That's it. You just want to kiss it with a little juice. I have a great little tip here for the cucumber. You need a box grater and a bowl. I like tzatziki's when they're nice and thick. So check this out. Get a box grater. So grate the cucumber, grate the skin, grate the seeds, grate the flesh, and you're left with these shoestring shapes, which is really cool. A little pinch of salt. You're gonna draw out some moisture, and check this out. My favorite part of a tzatziki is when it's really nice and thick. So take the shreds of cucumber and just press it, and look at all that juice. It keeps the tzatziki really nice and thick. Get it in, perfect. And if I didn't do that, the tzatziki gets really liquidy, and it's nice when it's thick. I can just smell lemon, cucumber on my hands, dill. It's the perfect herb for tzatziki. And you can't finish it without a couple things, one of that being garlic. Garlic all over this menu, especially in the tzatziki, gives you that little bit of bite. And for a little bit more texture, some red onions. That's it. That's all you need to make fresh tzatziki. Give it a mix. It smells so fresh. Check that out. That is super classic tzatziki. And I put this stuff on everything. Dip bread in it, put it on the meat, and it's delicious on just about anything. Greek night isn't complete without a tub of delicious, fresh tzatziki.